Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening SpCK and creating a new project so you can code immediately. Choose the HTML/JS/CSS template. This gives you a live preview and rapid feedback. Once done, enable file sync or connect a Git repo to avoid accidental loss. Create index. HTML and main. JS in the project root and save. Doing these first pieces reduces context switching and gets the editor's live server ready for the next steps. Now you edit files and watch changes in real time. Use split view so you can type on the left and preview on the right. Make small edits, then check the console for errors. This helps you fix syntax issues fast. If your project needs packages, use the built-in terminal or package manager to install them and restart the preview. Also, use breakpoints and console. Log to inspect values. This explains why behavior changes between edits and builds. To finish, run a final preview and click through every major interaction so you catch regressions early. Export the project as a zip or push to your remote Git repository to archive the release. Make sure assets and relative paths are correct before sharing. If the live preview fails, check the console for errors first, then clear cache and reinstall node modules if used. This single troubleshooting step resolves most build and dependency problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.